that's the main hill. It's not easy to zoom in on it, not easy to zoom out on it either. Most people on YouTube are wetting and gluing down paper or chucking down paper and they're covering it in plaster and they're painting it and flocking it, and a lot of work for something that shouldn't take much time. This is a real budget easy way to do it. Get yourself rolls of grass. Rolls of grass, it's a darker one that I'm going to use up here. This is a Noch one I've been using here. We're using two types that I've showed on an earlier video. Trim it, fill it, just like you would paper mache. Now, we're not going to have all those crease lines, that's not a problem. We've got dark green bushes here, medium green bushes over here. These are little mini trees, they're only 7 centimeters high. We've got some dark grass to go in here, some more flocking to go in here. 24 of the Noch fir trees to just dot around it. And that's just the beginning. I've got plenty of these little tufty grasses. And it takes you 2 seconds to make these, so I can make more of those grasses. That is a budget hill. Cost $30 to make. About an hour's work if that. Using hot glue until the cows come home. So it dries within seconds. Makes a bit of a mess. Dries clear eventually, as you can see the way it works. It does dry clear. One simple hill. And it does overlook a long way across that board.